Welcome to Rankblocks. I'm going to take you from adding your first project to check your first AI visibility run and your net new content opportunities. So once you log in for the first time at Rankblocks, you will be presented with this short onboarding where you will be adding your first project. In this case, we will be using Rankblocks for the sake of this tutorial, just by placing its name, the website, and the type of business. You will be able to continue right here. And after this, just connect your Google Search Console. In this case, I'm already connected, and I will need to select my Rankblocks property here. That is all. And in the third step, you will just be placing any documents that you might have. If you don't have them, don't worry. But it's basically a document with your brand positioning, right? Competitors, ICPs, brand overview, product, services, voice and tone, everything comes in here. If you don't have it, we will be doing all the research for you and you will be able to edit that too, so don't worry. So once you press Generate Brand Kit, a few minutes will pass, you will see the whole process, and it will be directed right to your own brand kit. So this is how your brand kit looks right here. You will get all your brand information, including voice tone, author persona, language for the content that you're going to be writing rules, and the CTA for the CTA at the end of the article, products and services, the audiences, and each audience comes with an empathy map, which is amazing. The market, top 5 competitors and regions that you will be operating and targeting, and each content type, including writing rules for each, a template for each if you have them. If not, we will going to be writing based on the best good practices and any reference that you may have that you want to add in here too. So in the backend, while you check this, we will be running the first AI visibility for you, where we will be creating 5 different prompts for you, basically based on Reddit, Quora, and Google Search analysis prompts that your audience is currently looking for and related to your brand, your offerings, and your ICPs. That will be all placed here, and the analysis will last a few minutes for you to be able to see how you are doing currently. In this case, the brand is completely new, so we don't have any here, but you will get the mention rate by platform, mention rate by competitor too, but also all the prompts right in here, and top domain cited, and each prompt with the LLM that prompt was analyzed in, which are all basically, and the response where you are cited. One of the best part here is the content opportunities. If you already have an blog and you have articles published, here on refreshes, you will see all the content opportunities that you have to refresh based on internal links, external links, based on all the prompts that you will basically need to cover in that article, content gap based on search analysis, and scraped by the top 5 ranking articles for you to make your article pop up even more and outrank them. But then you have the net new opportunities here, and right from the back you will be getting 1 per day for the month that you for the days that are still coming from the month, and you will be getting the topic title. If you don't have categories in your blog, we will be creating that for you, and you can see that here. For example, we have some categories, but also if you have, we will be respecting those too. You will get the primary keyword, secondary keywords, and this is all research done by us by doing all the keyword research, SERP analysis, content gap, scraping content. That will be basically be reflected here. We will be showing you the content that we are filling, but also, and this is the most powerful thing that anybody else do, which is tracking all the Quora and Google PAA related questions and Reddit prompts right here and merging them into this topic that will be covered when we create the piece. So this is everything that you will need to know. You can either come into each article and use the auto write to write the complete piece at once, where you will be getting the brief, the outline, the metadata, and the full article here for you to leave either comments or edit with AI anything. With here on the right, for example, let me pull another article. For here on the right, having all the analysis, including internal links, external images, and with the button for you to publish it manually or download it into a doc and send to a client maybe or your team. Or you can either come here to the content calendar, which each of these topics are placed will basically be written each day and published automatically if you turn on the auto growth. Auto growth will let you choose the amount of content, either net new only or net new and refreshes. And if you press the auto publish, you will be able to connect your CMS, either WordPress, Shopify, Wix, or don't select this and just get the content written each day. You will be getting the email for you to review it and publish it manually. And here, if you need any help with the connecting your CMS, you will be having a small form. Either way, it's super easy, but you will have a small form for us to do it for you. So this is everything that you need to know for start with, and you have a lot of other things here to know. And if you need any more help, come into help and support. Every tutorial and question is right there for you, and you can contact us either way.